What's going on, boys and girls? It's Epic Gaming here, back at it with another video. Now today I'm just going to show you how to file your W-2s. So basically, this is TurboTax. I'm already signed in and everything. So once you get to your income and expenses, you basically go on Job W-2 and you just click Review. Then just click on Work on my W-2. Click Continue. Cool. So basically, you gotta put in, it's called box B, employer ID number. So I'm gonna go on my W-2. So I kind of X'd out a lot of things. So employer ID number, which is right here on, it's gonna say B, employer Fed ID number. So I'm gonna fill that out real quick. Okay, I filled that out. And then I gotta fill out this, which is box D control number, and you'll find the control number right here, box D control number. So I'm gonna put that in there, and then also the box 1 amount number. So like how much you made, I believe, on wages and stuff. You put this. So I'll put 401.18. Cool beans. Then for this, I will put, okay, cool. I put in the control number and everything. Now, this is obviously where it basically imported all the stuff, like my income and everything. And you can always just, check back on the W-2 and just make sure, just double check to make sure everything is correct. And then after that, all you guys gotta do is just click looks good. And then that's it. And then, yeah. And that's how much I got for my federal refund, $68. And yep, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Damon here, back at it with another video. Now today I'm just going to show you guys how to file your 1099-R, which is basically your retirement account. So basically, if you took any money from your 401k, pension, whatever, as of 2021, then you should get a 1099-R, which the R stands for retirement. So I'm just gonna get right into the video. So I'm already in the TurboTax. I'm already signed in and everything. I'm on the incomes and expenses area, and then I basically scroll down, and I'm at the retirement plans and Social Security. So I'm gonna click here, IRA 401k, IRA 401k pension plan withdrawals slash 1099-R. So I'm gonna click start. Did you get 1099-R? I did. We'll click yes, continue. So basically, I'm going to this is like the fun part. You can actually do it two ways. You can import it, or just basically you put in the like whatever, like say for instance you got your 1099-R from Bank of America or this company called Betterment, Fidelity, Merrill Bank, whatever, Morgan Stanley, whatever. So here I'm gonna show you guys my 1099-R. And I got mine at Fidelity, which was a partnership with Amazon. So I'm gonna click Fidelity Investments. Okay, sign in. I am not a robot. Continue. It's connecting. Alright, so I can't import it, so I'm gonna change how I enter my form. I'm gonna just type it myself. See, there's other ways that you can bring it over from my bank. No, I'm not gonna do that. You can actually upload it from my computer. I'll just do this, type it myself since this thing can't do it for me. 1099R. Who gave you 1099R? Financial institution, which was the Fidelity. Yep. Click continue. Alright. Who paid you? Golly, so many questions. Alright. So payer's name. I'm not gonna fill everything out, so I'm gonna just type in Fidelity, you know, and then payer name, continuing optional. Yep. Okay, cool. Payer's address. Basically, you'll be putting in this address, and city. You'll be putting in the city, which is Covington, and then state, zip, and then payer TIN number, which you'll find that right here, and then I'm gonna click continue, and then box 1. You can't really see it, but yeah, box 1, gross distribution $13.09. 13.09 2A 13.09 and 2B, let's see, 2B total distribution box 3 0, box 4 0, cool beans. And then I think everything else is just 0. Yeah, if everything else is 0, then on the box 7 is a 1. It's a 1. So we'll put zeros for everything, and then box distribution code 1. So 0, 0. Alright, and that's pretty much how to fill everything out. Don't really worry about this. And then state tax. I live in Texas, so I don't have to worry about this. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the end of the video. I mean, that's pretty much how you basically do your 1099R. And then if you want, actually want, I can just click, actually, I won't click continue, because if I do, it's going to show my credentials. But yeah, that's pretty much how to do it. I'm also not a financial advisor, so if you want, you can always have a professional look at it, or you can do your research, or just have a tax preparer do it for you. But I'm just showing you guys the way I do it. It could be, it probably may not be the right way. I mean, I think it's right. I mean, that's how I do it, and I've never really been audited, so I've been doing this for 5 years. So yep. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. Sorry, it got kind of weird. I know I was trying to import the whole taxes, but whatever. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Peace. Yo, what's going on? Epic Gaming here, back at it with another video. Now today, I'm going to show you guys how to file your, sorry, not Uber, it's actually Lyft, like your Lyft income. Basically, I'm already on TurboTax. Now I'm just going to show you guys how to file your Lyft income, and then also how to write down like your expenses on it too. So I'm gonna get right into it. So I'm already signed in to my TurboTax. So basically, you're gonna go on the income and expenses page, and then you're gonna scroll down, and then you go on self-employment. Click here. We'll usually say start, but mine says revisit because I already did this before. Did you have any self-employed income or expenses? Yes, I did. The first time here, nah, no thanks. Alright, I'll just type in Lyft, or you can actually type in Rideshare or Uber. Like, it'll still send you to the right page where you need to go. So you click continue. Yes, I work in rideshare driving. Because Uber and Lyft is a rideshare company, so it's a rideshare. Okay, how does your rideshare driving work fit into your big picture? And it was a main source and it was a side job, so I started driving 2021, 01/01 2021. Started driving in 2021. Yep. Yeah, I mean technically I started driving May of 2018, but yeah. I mean obviously you can't put anything earlier than 2021. So let's continue. Did you pay any employees in 2021? No. Not pay any employees. I was my own worker, and the only thing I had was me and my car. Did you make these payments for your driver? Sure. Pay the contractor $600 or more to do work for me? Nope. Made payments that required me to send 1099? Nope. Just click no. Tell us any of these apply that I didn't actively participate in operation. No. I am subject to the Department of Transportation hours. Nope. Wish would be good benefits though. Cool. So I'm gonna scroll down real quick. And now I'm on this page where it shows what companies did you participate rideshare drive with in 2021. I selected Lyft and I'm gonna click continue. Now this is where the fun part starts. So set by importing your tax info from Lyft. I'll click OK, sounds good. I'm gonna click get my form. Cool. So this is what I got right here. Non-driving income, driving income. Okay, cool. So I pretty much imported it and it already had everything for me. Did you have any more self-employed income? I did, but I'm not gonna file it right now. Continue. I guess we'll watch a video.
Now that you've finished entering your self-employed income, it's time to enter your expenses. This is where the benefits of being...
You know what? Forget that. Nah. I'll click continue. Huh. My tax refund was $3 because maybe that's something else. Never mind. Huh. That's crazy. Okay. Get started. So yeah, as I said, I don't know if I told you guys, I'm not an expert on this, so just bear with me. Okay, so this is where you put in all your expenses. So startup costs. Didn't really put any startup costs. Now vehicle, I did have expenses for my vehicle. So obviously, if you just click add. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Gotcha. Add car and equipment rental. I don't think so. Your cell phone could also be an expense as well. Supplies, if you brought snacks or anything, which I didn't, so yeah, and then you just click continue. It's loading. Loading. Okay, come on. Did you have startup costs for your work? Nope. 2021. Did you rent a vehicle? Or nope. Did you buy supplies for your job, for your work? Nope. Keep going. Okay, let's start on the vehicle. Okay. My car is a Ford Fusion. Please select the type of vehicle. It is auto under 6,000. Yep. When did you start using this vehicle for your work? I don't think I could put 2018. I think I have to put January here. I'm gonna see what happens. It's probably. Oh, never mind. Tell us about the owner of this vehicle. I own this vehicle. I do. Yes, it was available for personal use. Did you have any other vehicle? No, I did not. It's asking me if I had another vehicle for personal use, which I did not. Did you keep track of the miles you drove for your... Yes, I tracked miles for this. Yep. Okay, enter the total miles I drove in 2021. This section's not really all that important, so I just give them an estimate of how many I have in total, like plus like my Rideshare and my personal. So I guess it'll be, let's say like 40,000, and then enter the miles you drove for your Rideshare driving work in 2021. That's actually right. That's it right there. My left was 5,635, and you can actually look at it on your find it on your like your Lyft account. You can go on Lyft and then go on tax information, and you can find it out yourself, and then click continue. Were four or more vehicles also used for this work? Well, no. Have you ever taken the standard mile deduction for this work? Yes, I've taken standard mileage for this vehicle. Yes, I'll take the standard mile deduction, which means you don't have to put in like you don't have to put in like repair gas or insurance or anything. That's all like through the standard mile deduction, so you don't have to report the whole repair gas or insurance. You could report the phone if you could report the phone. So yeah, I'll click continue. Parking fees for work. Didn't really have any parking fees. I guess property tax included in your car registration. I'm gonna just leave that blank for now. I don't really care about that. I'm gonna click continue. Do you want to claim another vehicle that you used for? No, I did not have another vehicle. Only have one vehicle. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the vehicle part. And see, look, I didn't have to pay anything in taxes, but I mean, I didn't make that much for Lyft. Most of my money was from Uber, but I will make another video on that if you guys want to check that out. It'll probably be posted tomorrow. Communications. So I'm gonna click start. I'm gonna just put some cell phone. Yep, cell phone. Description. Just put cell phone. And you can put other things like internet service, but you don't really need to, because I mean that's also part. I mean that's part of the cell phone. So, second phone, second distant call. Nah, I mean literally just cell phone service. Now you don't have to put the whole amount that you pay every month. Like, cause like I mean, I was driven for Lyft for almost a year of 2021. So obviously you just gotta So like if you pay like $30 for your cell phone, but I'm pretty sure you also use it for personal use. So I Lyft was probably like 50% of my of I use Lyft like for I guess 50% of for my work, I guess, and also 50% for my personal use. So I just do it 50% basically for the deduction. So I paid like $30 for cell phone every month. So 30 times 12, I believe that's like 360. And then divided by 2 be 180. So 180 for that. Let me just click continue. And as I said, I'm not an expert on this. So, I mean, you guys can do your own research or have a tax advisor or whatever. I mean, this is pretty much how I do it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I have a lot of expenses, and my income for a Lyft was like 3,000. So I obviously didn't have to pay anything in taxes, so I was kind of lucky. But I'm pretty sure my Uber I might have to pay taxes. But yeah, that is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Share it, whatever. I mean, whatever you guys want to do. Hope this video gave you some knowledge and like how to like do your taxes properly in the right way. I mean, it's really simple and easy. All I did was literally sign into my Lyft account with TurboTax, and I got all my information was imported. The only thing I had to do was write down my expenses. So it was not. It was just literally two things: my vehicle and my cell phone bill. That was pretty much it. So yeah, hope you guys find this video uh, like informative, essential, and yeah, peace out. Yo, what's going on? It's Damien here, back at it with another video. Now today we're gonna show you guys how to report your Uber income, which is very simple, very easy. Literally takes a couple steps and yeah, basically, let's just get right into the video. So right now I'm already on TurboTax. I'm already signed in and everything. So you basically go on the income and expenses part, and then you scroll down, and you go to self-employment right here. Click revisit. Did you have any self-employment income or expenses? Yes, I did. First, no, I'm good. No thanks. Uber. Continue. Let's confirm your Uber work. Yes, I work in rideshare driving. Continue. Okay, how does your rideshare work? How does your rideshare driving work fit into your big picture? It was the main source of income, and it was a side job. I mean, it was a business. It was something else. I mean, it was technically all of them, but I'll just put these two. It doesn't really matter. I started driving rideshare 2021. Technically, I started driving for Uber in 2018, but since I did it consecutively, it will just be 01, 01, 20, 21, because I never stopped. Continue. And then, did you pay any employees in 2021? No, I did not. Did you make these payments for your rideshare driving work? Paid the contractor $600 or more? Did not. Made a payment that required me to send a 1099 form? I did not do that. Continue. Tell us if any of these less common situations apply to this work. I didn't actively participate in operations with this business. It's not false. I am subject to the Department of Transportation hours of service limits. No, but it'll be nice. None of these apply. Continue. Then I basically just gonna scroll down and then click continue. So now I'm on this part where it said what companies did you rideshare drive with in 2021? So I'm gonna select Uber. Oh, it's already selected Uber. Click continue. And I want to import. And then you're just gonna click get my form. Okay, cool. I imported it and got all my information. Now, oh, 926, but that could change when I put my expenses. Did you have any more? I drove for Lyft, but I'm not gonna put that for now. Click no, continue. Now, if if you guys drive for Lyft or or some other like rideshare company, like maybe like a taxi service, you would just select the yes on that part. I'm gonna click continue on this. Next up, claiming. I know how to do it. Thanks. Started. Yep, it has vehicle cost. Definitely have vehicle cost. No, just vehicle and communications. And then also, if you guys bought like your vehicle, um, basically the interest part of your car is you can tax it. Sorry, it can be as an expense. So any interest that you paid for your car, it'll be an expense for any like self-employment that you do, like as like Uber and Lyft. Did you have startup costs for your work? No. Did you rent a vehicle? No. Did you buy supplies for your work? Did buy a car charger mounts, but I don't have receipts and I don't really keep up. So, I mean, if you guys have receipts for that, you could select yes, but for me, I don't really keep up with it. I should. It'll save you some money, but okay, let's get started with the vehicle. So I'm gonna click start. Enter the vehicle that you have. So mine's the Ford Fusion. Auto under 6,000 pounds. When did you start using your vehicle for work? Started 24th, 2018. Continue. I own this vehicle now. Yes, it was made for personal use. Was this Ford Fusion built for personal use? Yes. Did you have another vehicle for personal use? I wish. No, I did not. Yes, I tracked my work miles for this vehicle. Continue. So for my so basically I'm going to enter the total miles I drove in 2021. That's including the miles you driven for Uber. So I think I did like 40,000. And then on this one it says now enter the miles you drove. Sorry, it's now enter the miles you drove just for your rideshare driving work in 2021. So it'll be 17 to 62. Oh, sorry, 262. Cool. Continue. Continue. Yeah, I'll take the standard mileage deduction. I usually take the standard mileage deduction. If not, you guys can just say no, and then you can like I don't know if you guys keep track of your gas and like tires and stuff. Like you can use that as an expense instead of your mileage. Yes. Cool. Didn't have to pay only $1. Yes, I'll take the standard mileage deduction. Parking fees. Don't think I had any parking fees. Let's click continue. Cool. And did you want to claim another vehicle that you used for no? Just only had one vehicle. I'm gonna click continue. But if you did have more than one vehicle, you'll click yes. So you know. Communications. Now this is for like a cell phone service. So obviously I did use my cell phone a lot for like the Uber app, and then also making calls to the customer, making sure that I got them. So I pay about $30 a month for my cell phone, and then I mean like I use my cell phone for business and personal use, so like basically I wouldn't use that full $30 as an expense. I'll probably use like 50% of it. So because I use it for both personal and business use. So basically I've driven for Uber for a year. So 30 times 12, because it's 12 months in a year. I believe that's 360. And then divided by two, which is 180. So phone service, click continue. Alright. Huh, I got $4. It's cool. Alright. And yep, that is how you successfully do that's how you successfully file your Uber income and also your expenses. You know, I didn't have any much expenses. I just had my vehicle and then my cell phone. You know, that's literally what most people should have. I mean, maybe some people might buy like car chargers or food. Now, if you buy food, you just, keep track of your receipts. But I know for a fact that I have some receipts for my cell phone, and I also have paperwork for the vehicle because, like, for the mileage, because Uber actually sends me my mileage. Like it shows on my tax summary, like the mileage I did for the year. So yeah, it makes my job easier. I can easily file my taxes in literally like 5 minutes, So yeah, it doesn't take. It's not too hard. Just and also I'm not an expert on this, so if you guys have any problems, you can always just reach out to a tax preparer or just just do some research. Just don't, like if you don't think you can't do it, just stop. Just have a professional do it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and peace out.
Yo, what's going on? Epic Damon here, back at it with another video. Now today I'm going to show you guys how to file your Robinhood 1099 like dividend. Like I don't know if you guys ever got paid for with dividends, but there is a form. It's called a 1099 div, 1099 dash div. So I'm gonna get right into it. So I'm already signed in TurboTax. I'm already on the incomes and expenses page or whatever. So I'll just scroll down. I'll click here, investments, savings. Click the show more button, and then also dividends on 1099 div. I'm gonna click revisit. Time to kick off your investments. It is okay. We got it. Okay, cool. Continue. All right. Now, there's three ways to actually do it. There's like an easy way, a very easy way, the easy way, and then the hard way. So I'm gonna click Robinhood. All right, and basically, well, okay, it's February 15th, but on February 17th you'll be able to import. So what it means to import, you'll basically all you gotta do is sign into your Robinhood, and then that's it. Literally, you just have to do that. but some people can't do it. I don't know why. So I'm gonna click enter a different way, and then there's okay. Let's start with one investment type. So there's three. There's like four. There's like four ways that you have to pay taxes, either by interest, by the dividends, which that's what we're going to do, stocks, bonds. I'll have a video of that later, and then also cryptocurrency. So we're going to do dividends. I'm going to click continue. Now this is the second way to you can just upload it by like from your files. Oh wait, no, sorry. Bring it over from our bank. Oh, I didn't know you can do that. Huh. Okay, that's kind of cool. I guess you have to put in your bank credentials, and then I guess there is another. I guess there's technically four ways, but yeah, whatever. And then upload it from your computer, like upload the file, like save it from save it from your to your computer, and then upload it here, or you can just type it myself. So I'm gonna do that. Received from Robinhood. Robin Hood. Cool. Okay, now basically this is my 1099 div. Basically this is Robinhood securities, and then so basically on number 1A, that's where dividends and gain. You'll basically put, I don't know if you guys can see it, but 290.02. Well, I will put 290.02, but I don't know for you guys. You just gotta check 1A. I'll put 290.02, and then for 1B right here, qualified dividends, 255.60. And then 2A, was there a 2A? It's 144. Yep, 144. And then my form also has info in other boxes, so you can check back. And yes, it does. It has other. I still have other income that. So it's gonna bring you. Yep, bring you 2B and a lot more numbers that you have to fill out. 2B. See, these things are so small, and also you gotta make sure that you have to line them. So 0.78. That 2B. Yep, 0.78. Okay. And I like how the federal income is bolded, so that way I can figure out if So like right here, number 3, there's like 2A, 2F, and then 3, $12.29. So number 3, non-dividend distribution, $12.29. I believe that was it. And then number 5, section 199A, dividends. There we go. You just put in the number. Golly, I forgot already. 8.34. And then all the rest is, oh wait, never mind. I thought the rest is 0. 7 foreign tax paid. Interesting. Number 7 foreign tax paid is 3.66. 3.66. And I believe that's it. Leave blank on empty. Number 13. I don't think they had 13, so yeah, I didn't have a 13, so I'm gonna just leave that blank. So yeah, that's basically how to fill. And then the factor for filing requirement box is checked. Where is it? That I don't know. See, as I said, I'm not, or actually, I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm not an expert on this, but this is pretty much how I filed my taxes, and I've never got an audit or anything. but well, technically I don't input. I actually import it. So like I sign into my Robinhood, and then like I let Robinhood do it for me. And yeah, I mean that's basically how to um follow like a Robinhood like dividend 1099 div, sorry, whatever. Yeah, 1099 div. I mean it's not complicated. Some people think it's hard, but it really ain't. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. What's going on, guys? It's Epic Damien here, back at it with one more video for you guys. Basically, I'm just doing a like how to like file your like unemployment. It's super easy, super simple. It literally takes like about like probably like 2 minutes, like literally. That way, basically it won't be like so complicated. People don't stress out about it. So I'm just gonna get right into it. So basically, I'm on TurboTax, and then basically you're gonna go on income and expenses. And then where it says, jeez, I cannot talk. Where it says unemployment, paid family leave, you're gonna click on start, and then let me scroll up real quick. Did you receive unemployment or paid family leave benefits? Yes, I did. Where did you get your benefits from? From the government. Are you required to repay unemployments? No. But I know some people actually have to pay unemployment. I want to see what happens. Did you pay government or blah blah blah? Okay, well, it doesn't really apply. It doesn't apply to me, so I'm not going to go through with all that. But for people who have to repay it, it's probably because they didn't really like when they filed their unemployment, they probably didn't give them the accurate amount, and now they were paid like they were overpaid, and now they have to pay the government a bit of that money back, which, I mean, it even says it's uncommon. So cool. Click continue. Let me click add. All right, I'm gonna type it myself. All right, now this is where you put in your payer's federal ID number. So I'm gonna go on my screenshot of what I took. Basically, you just go on your unemployment, take a screenshot of whatever. Well, I mean, sorry, don't take a screenshot of that. Sorry, that was what I did. But basically, you're gonna go right here, put in your federal ID number. So I'm gonna do that. It's basically located here, but like as I said, this is actually for Texas. So I know for like other states, it's like a little different. So all you gotta do is just find like IRS tax information, or it should say tax information or something of that sort. And yeah, it should look something like this, or maybe not. I mean, it's different. So for each state. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna put in my number. I'm gonna pause this real quick. That way. Okay, cool. So that's done. And then now I'll just put in like my I'll put in the money that I made from unemployment. So all you guys gotta do is go here, box 1, 10,758, and then box 4 is gonna be $1,074, and then box 5 is gonna be $0. So here, let me actually do this real quick. Take a picture. Okay, cool. So box 1, 10, 7, 8. Box 4, 1, 0, 7, 4. And there's no box 5, so that's cool. And then for the state, it'll be Texas, obviously. And then state identification number. See, now I live in Texas, so we don't have to pay like state taxes. But if you were living in like California, I'm pretty sure you might have to like fill out this and then fill out this and all that stuff. So, but I live in Texas, which is pretty much a good state to not pay any of that state taxes. I think that's kind of stupid. That's done. And then my federal refund is so far is 1,074. And then I don't know if you guys know, but like for unemployment, unemployment is not taxed. So if you withheld any taxes, you basically get that money back. And if you didn't withhold taxes, you won't have to pay taxes, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you didn't like it, that's cool. I mean, just hopefully other people like it. And yeah, until next time, peace.